Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I haven't ridden in a couple of weeks. I was out of town, so I am back with another video. Today I'm gonna remove my rear wheel along with the tire and get my tire replaced. So in my last video I showed you how to plug a flat tire using one of those rope plugs. It's a pretty straightforward method. It's a temporary fix. It's not DOT certified, so you can't ride with a plug in your tire over 40 miles an hour. So it's highly recommended that you replace the whole tire. It's a bummer. I mean, since this is a brand new tire, I've only done like 200 miles on it, but in my last ride it got struck with a nail. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear wheel. It is highly recommended that you use one of these motorcycle stands. It allows you to set the bike upright, and it'll help you remove the rear wheel. So for this we only need a couple of tools. I recommend a socket and a wrench, like a ratchet set. Since I don't have it, so I'm going to use a normal adjustable spanner. First, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the safety cap like so, and then second thing is that there is a lock pin or a J pin. What you're going to do is you're going to use your pliers, bend the pin up like so you can remove it. Let's see. Okay, I would also recommend that if you have removed your tire a couple of times, you might want to get a new pin. You can hammer it out, or you can straighten it, and then just hammer it. You might hammer it, just put it in. Right, and then it's on. There you go. So now what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this anti-clockwise. Make sure your bike is stable. And then you just twist it until it comes loose. It is pretty loose now. I'm going to give it a little more turns. Again, it'll be really easy if you have a socket set, because you don't want to strip the nut. So once it comes loose, it gets really easy to remove. Now what you're going to do is you're going to push the axle through all the way, and then you're going to make sure that you don't drop anything. I dropped a washer. Just yank it out. Okay, there we go. Remove the block. You're also going to remove the chain now, like so, and then just gently remove your wheel like so. Now what you're going to do is, it's highly recommended that you remove your gear. You just pull it out. Like that. Okay, we're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna also remove these. I also recommend that you mark them, so when you're putting back, you know where it goes exactly. It doesn't matter, they're all the same size, but still I like marking stuff. So I'm gonna mark. So how far you mark these? If your wheel comes with a spacer, You might want to remove it now, because you don't want any parts to go missing while they are. So on the other side, it comes with a spacer. I'm going to remove it so that nothing gets misplaced while they are replacing the tire. Alrighty, that is pretty much it. So I'm going to head down to my local motorcycle shop. I'm going to get this tire replaced, and I'll come back and I'll show you how to put it back together. Alright, catch you soon.